Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Today, let us learn 35 ing verbs. 35 ing verbs. Let us begin from number one. Number one, an or yan mean I or I am. Sometimes me. Number two, anthat. Anthat mean I am cooking. I'm cooking. Number three, and meat. And meat mean I am eating. You can also say and chem. And chem mean I'm also eating. Number four, and cut. And cut mean I'm running. Number five, and jam. And jam mean I am talking. I am talking. Number six, and diao. And diao mean I am crying. I'm crying. Number seven, and die. And die mean I am watching. I'm watching or I'm looking. That is and die. Number eight, and dull. And dull mean I am laughing. I'm laughing. Number nine, and kun. And kun mean I am reading. I am reading a book. And kun ator I am reading a book. Number 10, and get. And get mean I'm writing. Number 11, and pur. And pur. And pur mean I'm cultivating. I'm cultivating the groundnut. I'm cultivating sorghum, etc. Number 12, and chat. And chat. And chat mean I am walking. I am walking, or you can say yan chat and chat or yan chat. I am walking. Number 13, and in. And in mean I'm sleeping. Number 14, and what. And what. And what mean I am snoring. I am snoring. And what. Number 15, and youth. And youth. And youth mean I am dreaming. I am dreaming. Number 16, and ping. And ping. And ping mean I'm listening. I am listening. And ping. Number 17, and bo. And bo or yan bo mean I am coming. I am coming. And bo. Number 18, and jal or and lo. And jal or and lo mean I am going. I am going. Number 19, and book. And book mean I am returning back. I am returning back. And duk or yan duk, I'm returning back. Number 20, and tech. And tech. And tech mean I am thinking. I'm thinking. And tech. Number 21, and dick. And dick. And dick mean I am drinking. And dick cha, I'm drinking water. And dick pew, I'm drinking. Sorry. And dick cha, I'm drinking milk. And dick pew, I'm drinking water. Number 22, and lo gave. And lo gave mean I am going to the town. I am going to the town. And lo gave, I'm going to the town. Number 23, and theme. And theme. And theme mean I am sneezing. I'm sneezing. Theme. Theme mean sneezing. Number 24, and all. And all, sorry. And all mean I am coughing. I am coughing. And all, I'm coughing. Number 25, and mole. And mole. And mole mean I am crawling. I am crawling. Crawling mean mole in Dinka. Number 26, and guang. And guang. And guang mean I am bending. You are bending to pick something on the ground. Guang, you bend. Guang to pick something down. You bend to pick something down. Guang bin kedang kwany pi. Number 27, and catch. And catch. And catch mean I am standing up. Number 28, and newch. And newch mean I am sitting down. I'm sitting or I'm sitting down. Number 29. And lag mean I am bathing. I'm bathing. I'm washing my body. And lag mean bathing. Number 30. And look and look and look mean I am washing. I'm washing the clothes. I'm washing utensil. I'm washing others. And look, I'm washing. Number 31. And ngam and ngam. And ngam mean I am yawning. I am yawning. Yawning. You wake up in the morning and you start yawning. Ngam. 32. And Louis. And Louis mean I am walking. I am walking. And Louis. Number 33. And Kwang. And Kwang. And Kwang mean I am swimming. I am swimming. And Kwang ka u ang. Kwang means swimming. To swim. I'm swimming. And Kwang. Number 34. And dip. Or you can say and may. And dip or and may mean I'm fishing. I'm fishing. You are fishing. And dip and may. I'm fishing. Number 35. And yap. And yap. And yap mean I am hunting. You are hunting the animal. I am hunting. And yap. Nyalik kawek. Nyalik kawek mean God's with you. Byron Pioch, Tong Yang or Dinka, William Majak Malikdeng. Please subscribe, follow the page, share the videos to your loved ones so that we learn Dinka language together. Okay? If you find this one useful, please consider to share. Share it to your loved one. We need to learn Dinka language. It's very easy. I make it easy for you to understand. That's why I put English version or English translation so that you guys can understand it well for non-Dinka speakers. So it will be easy for you to catch up with us. So Dinka is very easy, guys, and we shall meet on weekend because I used to bring all these videos during weekend because I'm also a student. Okay, guys, this is the end. Nyali kuyania. Ug Abban Yok and William Majak Malek Ding. Bye.